With all the instability in the world today, look around you. The UK, Canada, the United States, some of us may soon have no choice but to return to our native land. Don't think it can't happen. Just look at the unrest in the UK, the immigration pressure in Canada with people pouring in from one demographic, and ICE deportations rising across the US. The world is shifting fast and it's time to think ahead. Hopeton Lifestyle Organic Farm is giving you that chance. A chance to secure a future rooted in growth, ownership, and food security. We're not just farming, we're building a lifeline for the diaspora, a place to reconnect, invest, and prepare for what's next. If you're in the diaspora, ask yourself, what's your excuse for not being a part of Hopeton Lifestyle Organic Farm? We keep you informed and connected with our weekly Zoom meetings, no matter where you are. The future belongs to those who plant it. Join us and grow with us.